Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Imran Nazir. Today we are going to solve one tutorial of HYSYS regarding gas oil separation processes with Aspen HYSYS. We are using version 11. This tutorial is developed on version 8, but we are using version 11. So this is coming in the petroleum module of the HYSYS workshop. Okay, basically this tutorial is going to model the oil, water and gas recovery, but the primary task is to use the conceptual design builder, which is basically automatically designing of these type of processes. Problem says that we have a fixed gas oil ratio, GOR is 200, water oil ratio is 0.02 and production rate is 2000 barrels per day. So we open our HYSYS. Instead of going directly in the simulation, we use customize and conceptual design builder. It will take a while to start. Okay. Now this is the interface of conceptual builder design builder, in which you are watching several tabs. This is the first tab, project setup. You have to set the project name, description, and project location and etc. The primary inputs are we have to insert basically in the project setup we have to insert these basic inputs: field type and environment sensory, population density and political risk. So we have two type of field types: oil and gas, oil field and gas field. So here by default is selected oil field, which is correct. Environment sensitive, you can pick any option, but here in tutorial it is picked by high. Like population density is low and political risk sensitivity high. So you have to set these, and then in the project specifications you have to basically inform 2 or 3 things as per tutorial. It says that production rate and GOR and WOR, water analytical. So production rate is because it is in liter per day. You have to first give the number 2000, and then you say it is barrel per day, and GOR is 200 meter cube per meter cube, and water is this one. So after doing this, you can also visit these tabs. If you have specific data, then you can enter in this. Then you go in the design preferences. Now you have to select a number of stages. Here in tutorial it is selected 3. You can also visit the other options and pick accordingly, but here in the tutorial it says this is the only thing which you have to set in this tab, and then you click on the run design case. So it will take us some time, and when it is completed, then you will notice that in the HYSYS the simulation is created accordingly. Now it is creating the simulation, and this is your final. Once it is case is completed, then you can see in the on the background in HYSYS the complete simulations have been performed. Now it is very messy flow sheet. You can set by, there is no any option of auto setting like Aspen Plus, but you manually set for clear visibility of all streams like this. This is up to you how you set these streams and other operations so that they can be readable, and further understanding can be developed if they are in a good way. Okay, now basically you have to see this is completely converged drying. You have to see the well fluid. You have to check that whether we have what we have inserted, it is okay or not. For example, temperature 40 and pressure is 48.99. You have to check and we are okay. Then you have to check the oil and gas field properties of this. Now this is important because this you are watching the oil and gas feed conditions. This menu and version 8 menu is little bit changed. You can see the Watson factor is available in all properties here, but in our case it is available in additional inputs Watson factor. You have to check whether what you have entered is okay or not. Almost all things are okay as per this tutorial. One thing is that in the version 8 you have to set gas composition, mass, mole and volume percent from its inner menu. But when we see in our actual case, so we have to click on edit and then we can change the basis of the percentages of these components. Anyway, this is almost same. Now you can see that these boxes are actually the contain sub flow sheets. So you can double click on this and go in a sub flow sheet. Now you will notice that complete three stages oil and gas is there. Three phase separators are installed in three stages, and we get our export oil and other things. So you can go in a parent by clicking this parent button. Okay, so now if you have to check that how much water, produced water is being there, so you can double click on this and this is 266.1. Now one thing which is being noticeable here, that in our version 8 it is given 297.9, and it is the export oil is also a little bit changed from our specification or our calculations, and export gas is also a little bit changed. But this is how you can simulate the oil and gas separation processes from conceptual design modeler main. Thank you.